Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, in the past and the present, I've been told I talk way too much in a lot of my videos. So in hindsight is 2020 sort of way, I have decided to go back and start revamping some of my older videos. A couple reasons. YouTube is really not paying well right now, and so that'll kind of give me some content that I can put up instead of putting new videos up 3 times a week, because I just can't keep up that kind of content and do the kind of videos I want to do. These videos are going to be as short as I can possibly make them. If you have any questions whatsoever, please go watch the long version, the longest version of these videos. Without further ado, let's get to it. Well, what I have in front of you is a battery kit for my wife's old tablet. I'm going to go ahead and put a new battery in this. I will put the price below. I believe we got it probably off Amazon. I'm not sure where we got it from and how much, but I'll probably try and put that all below if I can find it. I'll try this one more, but these plastic ones just aren't thin enough to get down in here. So I'm going to take the little screwdriver that comes with it, hopefully not kill it. Now that I got it somewhat pried open with that, I'm going to go ahead and try and use the tool that they planned on using. Nope, that broke off too. I'm going to take one of these other ones that they gave just to see if it'll work this way. It doesn't really fit in the hole very well, so I got to hold that down and kind of get it in there. So, oh, there we go. That just pushed down quite a bit more now. Hopefully I didn't break anything. We'll see. Now, I think, for all intents and purposes, we are finally working. Hopefully I didn't break anything. We'll see if I broke anything. Looks like things are working. Alright, well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all, and I'm obviously master of none. You all have a good one.